For me and for Solmirus, it's important that we have the very best tools at our disposal, and the monthly desktop subscription allows us to do that in a way that we can afford. Solmirus is a group of scientists and engineers and designers that are all gathered together to work on scientific instrumentation. We're primarily focused on space science and space science education. One of our main products is called the ACEVA. It's an optics instrument. Uses a couple different high-definition cameras to analyze the night sky. It's used by astrophysicists and astronomers in conjunction with large telescopes to give them the optimal viewing window on a given event. We're also involved in speculative projects, ways to get space science out into the community. We're working on a proposal for an observatory at the top of Pikes Peak. We're also working on a mobile platform that involves a retro motorhome that will be retrofitted with a large-scale telescope and a retractable roof. When we were shopping for our product, we spent a lot of time comparing Inventor against SolidWorks. Inventor had mechanical functionalities that wasn't evident in SolidWorks. Also, Inventor gave us some functionality with actual mechanical components, with belts and chains and sprockets and gears that are very common and essential parts of the designs that we do. I can take files from parts vendors, I can take files from the internet, all sorts of things that didn't start as Inventor files, and bring those together in Inventor into a design that works together, that functions. Sometimes it puts a smile on my face when I can draw something. I can draw a sheet metal part, for instance, and it knows how to bend that piece of sheet metal. Just simple little things like that are a big plus for a mechanical designer. For Solmirus, the desktop subscription kind of represents the difference between feast and famine. We don't know if we're ever going to sell another ACEVA after we sell the last one, and for us to go all in on a solid modeling package is too much of a risk. For us, being able to meter out that expense on a month-to-month basis frees up our resources to divert into different experiments and to not have to have all of our resources invested in a modeling tool. We're able to have the most up-to-date tools at our disposal when we need them. The best part about subscribing to the product design suite is that I get everything. I get all of the tools associated with product design beyond just the basic Inventor tool. I get stress analysis and all manner of engineering functions that go beyond just the basic Inventor product. At Solmirus, what we're passionate about is creating cutting-edge space science instruments and educational tools. And for us, the tool that we use to do that is an Inventor. And because of our modest means and the grassroots efforts that we're doing, it's important for that to be affordable. And desktop subscription is what makes that possible.